Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Filipino scrambled eggs. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 large eggs, a tablespoon of cooking oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. For an authentic touch, consider adding a small amount of finely chopped garlic or onion. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan and a spatula ready. This simple dish is a staple in many Filipino breakfasts and is incredibly easy to prepare. Now let's prepare the eggs. Crack 2 to 3 eggs into a medium-sized bowl. Be careful not to get any shell fragments in there. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. You can adjust these amounts later if needed. Then, using a fork or a small whisk, beat the eggs vigorously until the yolks and whites are completely combined and slightly frothy. This ensures a consistent texture. It's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in your non-stick pan over medium heat. If you're adding garlic or onion, sauté them for about 30 seconds until they become fragrant. Then, pour the whisked eggs into the hot pan. Let them sit undisturbed for a few seconds until the edges begin to set. Using your spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue gently folding the eggs until they are mostly set but still look slightly moist and creamy. Avoid overcooking them, as this can make them dry. Once they reach your desired consistency, remove the pan from the heat. Serve your delicious Filipino scrambled eggs immediately, ideally with a generous portion of warm rice and perhaps some fried fish or a savory meat dish. Enjoy this simple, comforting breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.